Hey y'all, it's your girl Gmail back again with another crochet tutorial. Today we're going to be learning to make a granny square. And if you don't know what that is, it's these lovely little things right here that you normally see like with made with blankets and stuff like that. So cute. So anyways, I'm going to be using the colors that you see on my shirt in my tutorial today because it's Black History Month. Got my natural hair popping. So we're going to get our we'll call it Black History Month granny square popping. So the first thing we want to do is start with that slip knot and chain, like I always say most projects start with. So, and if you want to learn more about the slip knot and the chain, you can definitely check out my other tutorials on that. So we have our slip knot and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also what we're in this tutorial, we're just going to learn how to do this center part right here. So that's what we're working on. And then I'll do a tutorial on how to do the next rows in a different video. Okay, so we have our chain 4, and what we want to do is connect this chain. So we are going to go inside of the first stitch here and pull our yarn through, and there we go. Definitely want to put this yarn over so that you can crochet around it. So what we're going to be doing is crocheting inside the center of this little donut that we've made. But before that, we want to chain 2, and the pattern is going to be, after we chain 2, we're going to chain 2 double crochet and then do a chain 2, and then in the hole we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, until we get 4 of these little petal shapes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our chain 2 and get started. Chain 1, chain 2, then we're going to wrap the hook around, go inside of that hole, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, so you want to pull through 2 and then pull through 2, and then we're going to do that one more time because that the first chain 2 represents our first double crochet. So instead of doing 3, that's why we only do 2. And if you'll notice, we have 3 double crochet right there. So now we're going to chain 2 and go back inside of the hole and do 3 more double crochet. So it's 1, 2, 3. Oops. Sometimes it does slip off the hook. You just pop it right back on there and keep moving. Okay, and that's 3. So now we want to chain 2. And as you can see, we have 2 little petals on there already. And go ahead and do 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Should have made my little string a little longer, but that's okay. Chain 2, and we'll do our last set of 3. So we want to go 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then do you see we have our 3 little petals and that string in the middle? That's why we wanted to tuck it under, so that when we pull through, we can close that circle up. And now we just want to join our project. If you look at the top, there are, we'll go into the top of that chain 2 that we made right there. So go in that hole right there and join. Close that hole up. Then we take our scissors and snip that off and pull that through. And now we have our center of our granny square. Don't worry, it looks a little raggedy right now, but once we get the other rows on, trust me, it will turn out to look like this. So make sure you come back for the second part so that I can show you how to do the other rows, because it's pretty much going to be the same for the most part. After the second row, it's pretty much going to be the same pattern that you repeat, that chain, that 3 double crochet. Well, we'll talk about it in the next video, so make sure you come back so that we can do our next row in our granny square. And don't forget to comment, like, and share to let me know you care, and I'll see you guys soon.